Everyone say hi to Maxers. This is Max. This is my parents' dog. He usually gets camping MVP, but he's had some issues in his old age and he's a bit moody and a bit more barky lately, so he's not getting MVP this year, but we're still glad he's here. At least I am. I hope everyone has been having a great summer. People are heading back to school now, back to reality. I'm trying to just soak up a little bit more of nature before I head back to the big city. This is one of my favorite trails that I go on because it has so many outcroppings that once you get to them, the view is just spectacular. And we've just had beautiful weather the whole time here in beautiful northern Canada. It just doesn't get any better than this. Especially if you're a water baby. I feel like Karina Kaboom with my water content here and the voiceovers. Little puppy POV action for you. He's here with 4 other dogs, but he's kind of had it. He's a senior. We like our quiet walks. There they are! And there's a puppy that wants to go in the water really bad. If y'all are looking for something to do, you should check out Alice Hamilton's YouTube video, Sex Criminal, because I'll be talking about it. So that's your homework if you want homework. in that special, she talks about all the problematic comedians that have allegations against them. A lot of people are talking about it. It's been highly requested that I review it, so if y'all could check it out, then you'll know what I'm talking about if you haven't heard about it already. A lot of people are talking about that special. It's been highly requested that I review it, so I'm going to do just that. I didn't have internet the whole time I was up here camping. I think it was about 10 days. So it was nice to unplug, but I see a lot of things have happened. There was a Tommy Lee situation. People were passing away. I know Anne Heche passed away. Our premier, Doug Ford, swallowed a bee. That was big news. But it was nice to unplug and get away from that for a while. So if you signed up for lots more content, it's coming. Summer's coming to an end, but if you feel like all you've done for the end of summer is survive and not thrive, I'm with you. I got those end of summer blues because I feel like I've kind of lost the last month of my summer, even though we made a lot of memories. There was a lot of other stuff going on, and yeah, it's been a lot. So I hope everyone's rest of their summer goes well. I hope everyone is having an okay day, and I'll see you for my Dane Cook video coming next.